Distinguished guests, esteemed partners, ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude the Computer Software Division's signing, lighting talks, and lectures, I stand before you with a profound sense of pride and excitement for the future of science, technology, and innovation in the Philippines. Throughout the day, we witnessed the formalization of several groundbreaking partnerships. DataProtect signed agreements with the Bloc and the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. ASTI-ALAM formalized collaborations with the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. Gul.ai partnered with the University of Rizal System. QCS secured an agreement with the University of Cabuyao. And iTANONG formed alliances with One Quantum Philippines and Starbucks. These partnerships demonstrate how DOST-ASTI's projects translate theoretical concepts into practical applications that can improve Filipino lives. By combining our expertise with our partners, we are not just advancing science, technology, and innovation, we are addressing real-world challenges in data privacy, disaster management, agriculture, education, and more. The afternoon has brought us informative discussions on blockchain's potential in government and education. An inspiring lecture on quantum computing expands our deep understanding of this cutting-edge field. This was followed by engaging technical discussions that delved deeper into new projects, fostering discussions that will lead to future innovations. As we reflect on today's activities, let us carry forward the spirit of collaboration and innovation that has defined ASTICON 2024, turning ideas into actions that will reshape our nation's technological landscape. To our esteemed partners from academe, industry, and government, our agreements are more than documents. They are commitments to a shared vision of a progressive and innovative Philippines. To our brilliant researchers and engineers, your tireless efforts in pushing the boundaries of science and technology are building the foundation for our country's future. Continue to dream big, for it is your ideas that will shape the world of tomorrow. As we leave this convention, let us carry with us not just memories and new connections, but a renewed sense of purpose. Let the spirit of innovation you have experienced here be a catalyst for change in your respective fields. Together, we can position the Philippines as a beacon of innovation in Southeast Asia and beyond. Let us move forward with the spirit of bayanihan, uniting our diverse skills and perspectives toward our common goal for technological excellence. Sa tulong ng agham, teknolohiya, at inobasyon, sama-sama nating isulong ang pagbabago tungo sa matatag at maunlad na Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.